next pattern is called Kwang. We'll start with our hands above our head like you're setting a volleyball. There's a slight body lean back. First move is take your weight off your left leg, and we snap out one. The idea is to get the balance over your right foot and have both arms snap out and block at the same time. From here, left foot comes in and rise up and come down. Twist forward one and twist forward two. Then step your left foot in front of right foot and hooking block. Okay, come across the body, then slide back in L stance. Step across and reach walking stance hooking block and slide back L stance. Then step the left foot back and scoop one and twist left and scoop two. Left foot comes in, right hand chops in, left hand is flat here. Check, side kick, knife hand strike, then hammer fist down. Check with the edge of your foot about knee level, then side kick, knife hand strike, and hammer fist down. Press and block one, press and block two. Take your right hand, reach on the outside, sitting stance back fist, then double forearm block. We're going to slide back, we're going to scoop back, exactly one scoop. As you do that, left hand blocks down and across. Ready? One, reach, and smooth is two. Then left foot comes up, sitting stance back fist. Move your right foot out, walking stance double form block. Same thing, slide both feet back, backhand block, reach, and smooth. Then open your hands, double punch, left knee up, stomping, punch. Front feet together, step left foot out, knife hand guarding block. Reach up, punch, hit! Then right knee up, stomping, punch. Front kick, step right foot out, knife hand guarding block. Reach up, punch, hit! Then return to 2D.